everyone, I hope you are doing good and welcome to Bizistech channel. Today I will discuss about Amazon Subscribe and Save program, its eligibility requirements, how it works, how can a customer enroll in Subscribe and Save, and some steps which a seller have to follow when enroll in Subscribe and Save. And at last I will tell you some benefits of SNS program. So let's start. First I will discuss what is Save and Subscribe. The Amazon Subscribe and Save program offers free shipping, discounted pricing, and the convenience of frequently scheduled deliveries on some eligible products. Customer can easily sign up for scheduled or recurring deliveries of the products which they use or order on a regular basis. Customer who enroll in the Subscribe and Save programs can receive a discount 5 to 15% on the products. Next, we will discuss how can a customer enroll to Subscribe and Save program. When a customer will come to our product detail page, he will see two options: one-time purchase or Subscribe and Save, which are shows on the right side of the listing, same as shown in the picture. If he click on Subscribe and Save, then it has to select. If he clicked on Subscribe and Save, then he has to select a time period from minimum 2 weeks and maximum 6 months. Amazon will deliver him the product automatically after every time interval which buyer will select. We will now take a look at the eligibility requirements that Amazon requires to enroll sellers in Subscribe and Save. The seller who desire to participate in the Subscribe and Save program should meet these eligibility requirements. A seller feedback must be 4.7 or even higher. A seller must have a FB account with good sales or an active FB accounts from at least last 3 months. Now move on the next topic, which is how to Subscribe and Save work. In this program, a customer can choose the product that they want to buy from millions of the items shown in the Subscribe and Save store. It is different from the typical add to basket button that you can see on Amazon. Customers can set their delivery frequencies, for example 1 week, 2 week, here before clicking subscribe now. When they do this, the web page redirects them to the next step where they can choose their delivery address and payment method. As I earlier discussed, that the customer who enroll in the Subscribe and Save program. As I earlier discussed, the customer who enroll in the Subscribe and Save program receive a 5 to 15% discount on the product. This discount level, however, is determined by the number of products for which the customer has subscribed. When a customer subscribes to a product, they receive a 5% discount. However, if the subscription includes 5 or more products, they will receive a 15% discount. Further, I am going to discuss how can a seller enroll in Subscribe and Save program. Amazon automatically enrolls some products in that program. If Amazon doesn't enroll seller automatically and they want to enroll in this program, then they have to send a requesting mail to Amazon at fba/sns/help@amazon.com with the following information: its product ASIN, existing SKU and new SKU. When Amazon will review it and enroll the products on zero discount if the product fulfills the eligibility criteria. When looking into your eligibility for Subscribe and Save, be aware that only products sold within a certain categories are eligible for Subscribe and Save. Here is a list of eligible categories along with the discount percentage associated with each. You can see this picture for this. A seller should follow the following step for enrolling Subscribe and Save. First, they have to check from your seller center that Amazon enrolled your product automatically or not. If not, then they have to send requesting mail to Amazon. Amazon will enroll their product that meet eligibility criteria at zero discount. After that, seller can select how much discount they want to give, 5% or 10%. So let's move to the seller central. Here I will tell you some steps which a seller have to follow for see the option of SNS and checking the performance of those products which is already enrolled in it. First, you have to log in your seller central account and head to the section of settings. Here select the option of fulfillment by Amazon. When you click on this option, you will land on the page of fulfillment setting. In second step, you have To scroll down to the last part of the page, here you can see the subscription setting. Click on edit of subscribe and save button. Then you will see a dashboard of SNS and you can overview it. In third step, I will discuss other way to find the option to save and subscribe. For this, go to the report tab, then click on fulfillment. In fourth step, you can see the option of subscribe and save performance. When you click on it, you can overview the performance data for FBA subscribe and save, and you can also download its CSV. In step 5, to open the dashboard of the SNS, click on the manage subscribe and save setting and products. When you click on it, you see the dashboard of SNS. In step 6, you can see the dashboard of SNS, which shows the total revenue from SNS, shipped units and subscription count and other main things. In step 7, you can check the ASIN on which SNS is active by clicking on the option of seller funded discount. You can simply add a discount on it. In step 8, you can see the page from which seller select discount of which they want to give to its customer, either it's 5% or 10%. You can also remove the active products from SNS program by clicking on the drop down menu. You will see there the option of remove product from program. In last step, I will tell you, if you want to see the performance of SNS on your account, head over the option of performance dashboard with manage product tab on the page of SNS dashboard. You can see the performance by searching your ASIN and can also select the date range of weekly, monthly, quarterly or yearly. At last, I will discuss some benefits which we can get by enrolling our products in Save and Subscribe program. The first benefit you can get is consistent sale, in which Amazon subscriber and Save subscriber get repetitive customers as a seller, because customers are always willing to buy items from you on a regular basis. Customer loyalty is the second benefit. Ever since the subscribe and save program has been launched, many renowned brands have observed a drastic jump in their overall sales, anywhere from 10 to 30%, with customer being repetitive. This also increases customer loyalty. The best part is the business customer repeatedly with a minimum investment. The third one is engagement customers. As per my observation, a customer subscribing your product is more likely to buy additional products from you if they opted the subscribe and save options. And the last one is increased visibility and reach. When there is a dedicated storefront, your products are sure to benefit from it, as there is a priority placement and enhanced customer search filter preference. I think so that everything is clear now. If you have any questions still, you can add into comment section. So if you like the video, please like, comment and share our video. Also do not forget to subscribe our channels. Thank you.